How to change YouTube video quality on Android and iOS. Let's get started. Launch your YouTube. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find an option. Navigate to the option of View. Once you're in the View page, at the top right corner you will find the settings icon. Click on that. Now navigate to the option of Uploads. Over here you will find two options, Upload Quality and Upload over Wi-Fi only. Click on the option of Upload Quality. Now from here you can easily make changes to your YouTube video quality. You can set it to different resolutions, 360p, 480p, 720p, 1080p or full quality. If you set upload quality to 360p or 480p, the video quality will be low and the videos might be blurry. So you can set it to at least 1080p if you want your videos to be high definition. Or also you can set it to full quality. You can easily change YouTube video quality on Android and iOS. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.